Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you three different pocket dump variations. Hope you enjoy. I'll start off with my Longines Spirit. It's a 40mm titanium pilot's watch. Water resistant to 100 meters, just over 12mm thick, and has a power reserve of 42 hours. And it's an automatic watch. And it holds time great. Even as a carpenter using it every day, banging it and shaking it, doesn't lose much time at all. Let's have a look at the lume. This watch is super easy to see at night, with the big numbers and the nice bright bluish lume. Next up, my knife. I'll pair this one with the Benchmade Bailout. It's a very classy knife. Nice green anodized handle with the glass breaker on the end. The reverse Tanto blade. It's got the black coating on it. M4 steel. Axis lock. Easy to open left-handed or right-handed. Super smooth. And next is my SD DuPont Megajet lighter. I think it's got 3 burners. It's in a matte khaki color. And I paid way too much for this lighter. Didn't realize at the time, but these lighters are made in China, so probably wouldn't buy one again. But it does work well. And then you got to carry a pen. So with this pocket dump, I normally have my Lamy fountain pen. Just a great all-round fountain pen. Not too expensive, but works great. Easy to refill. And with that, you got to have a notepad. This is my little mini Moleskine. Perfect to carry in the pocket. And the paper works well with the fountain pen too. Next up, this is my Seiko SPB 143. This is mainly my everyday watch. It gets banged. Use a grinder next to it. Doesn't leave a mark on it yet. Rotating bezel. It's got a date which I like. I think this one's about 40mm thick, 13.4mm in depth. Automatic watch, 200 meters water resistance, and a 70-hour power reserve. This watch does lose a lot of time though, so I think it's due for a service. This is what it looks like with the lume out. Not too bad. And then I'll pair that with my Leatherman Rev. This is a great little multi-tool. The pliers. Nice pocket clip. A few attachments, small file, bottle opener. And on the other side, a little flathead and a Phillips head. What I like about this Leatherman is you can access the main blade without opening it. It's a nice little handy blade. And then you gotta have a Zippo. Every EDC needs a Zippo. Reliable. And I love the sound of the click. And this is my Sadler mechanical pen. It's got the thicker lead, removable, good for carpentry. On top there's a little sharpener for it. Give you a nice little point. I think it's around $50 this one. Then I carry my little LED lens now. It's a K2. Nice tiny little torch. Does the job. Perfect for the pocket. And then definitely got to add the moleskin. Up next, this is my Yema Superman Heritage. It's a French-made watch, or French company. It's good for 990 feet water resistance, so this is my deepest dive watch, even though I'll never go that deep. 38 hour power reserve, 39 millimeters, and it's about 11.3 wide. I'm missing the little crown lock thing that goes on there, because I bought this watch off eBay a few years ago. But yeah, it's been a solid addition. This is what it looks like in the dark. And then I'll pair that with the Benchmade 940 Osborne. This should be a staple for everybody, I reckon. Just a timeless classic pocket knife. Got the green anodized handles, great pocket clip, nice blade. Nice and slim. Axis locks, so left and right hand opening. And then you've got to have just a classic, standard, cheap cricket lighter. I got this one in Vietnam, so it doesn't have the safety locks that most of the lighters in Australia have, which is good. And this is just a nice gel pen. Nice heavy metal case. Not much you can say about that, but yeah, great pen. And then I'll pair it with a mechanical, a Bic, Criterium. Nice slimline, perfect for pockets. And add the moleskin, of course. And this is just a comparison of all the watches in the dark, so you can see what they look like next to each other. That's the Yema. It's my Seiko. Probably from worst to best so far. And the best is definitely the Longines. Just those big, bright numbers, so easy to read at night. And that lume shines the brightest for the longest too. Thanks for watching, guys. If you would pair these any differently, let me know. But I'll see you on the next one. Catch.